So we're sitting here with Dr. Sanghera, and we have a beautiful, beautiful website built. A lot of people absolutely love it. We're getting so many clients from it. But what we really want to show is the back end. This is what most people don't build out. Doesn't matter if you have a pretty website if it's not converting. So in just the month of December alone, we had over 70 appointments scheduled on the calendar. We had 200, we're gonna blur out some of these names. We had 211 leads coming in total, phone calls answered, phone calls coming in, and we've only spent about $1,500 on our ads so far. And you can see people coming in from the Google business profile, online from social media, and we're absolutely killing it. What do you say, Dr. Sanghera?
I love it. I'm so happy I partnered with you guys.
We love working with you. Thank you so much.